He was born on 12 May 1977 in Tehran, Iran, and in University of Technology and Harvard University. She made the Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gathered here to celebrate National Mathematics Day, a day dedicated to genius Srinivas Ramanujan, whose incredible contribution to number theory and infinite series revolutionized mathematics, a field vital for technology and problem solving, teaching us logic and critical thinking through numbers, equations, and the